Hey everybody, it's Neil, and sometimes instead of wearing t-shirts, I want to look a little bit nicer, so I got this here. This is a little button-up shirt. Let's try this out and see how it looks. So it's got a few buttons here. Probably 2 buttons gonna be enough. I got size large, and this is kind of what it looks like here. Let's put it on and see how it goes. You guys get to see my muscle body here. Let's see how this goes. And here we are. Wow, this is a really nice shirt. Look at that, it's got a nice pocket here. It's got the buttons up top here, which look good. Fits good, I got a size large, and it totally fits me. So, it's nice. And it's made of, I guess, like a cotton, maybe cotton polyester. I didn't really look. See, I'll let you know here in a second. 20% rayon, 75% polyester, 5% spandex. So there we go. So it's nice. Doesn't really have wrinkles even right out of the bag. So this is good. I would say I'll wear it today, but I'm gonna go do some work on some stuff. So I'm gonna have to take it off, but I will be probably wearing it tonight when I go just hang out. So thumbs up for me.